Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to be sharing with you the Good Vibes kit from Villa Beautiful. I have been waiting for this kit for such a long time and it's absolutely gorgeous. So this is my vibe. I love the colors in here. I love the stickers in here, just everything. So I've gone ahead and removed all the contents from the package. Villa Beautiful does a really good job with their packaging, and they have this really cute envelope that everything comes in. It helps to protect all the things that are in your kit, but it's also nice to be able to cut this down and use them as dashboards within your planner as well. Or if you don't want to do that, you can use this to store kits. So I love that. I'm going to move that off to the side. First up, we have the kit pen. This is so beautiful. I think this is my first Villa Beautiful, or my first VB pen that has the black hardware with the white pen barrel, and I think it's so pretty. I love the colors in here. So that's the pen for this month. It always comes with a pen refill, so it's really like getting 2 pens for the price of 1. That's one of the best things about the VB pens. And then this gorgeous enamel pin. So these look really cute on any cloth pencil pouch. I've been storing all of mine there from various different companies, but this is such a cute pin. It's one of my favorites that she's made. And it has, yeah, so it's like the needle pin. I'll go ahead and take it out. So it's not the magnet pins, but these are the enamel pins that she sells. And you just pinch it off like this. Can stick it through fabric, and I love it because it holds really strong. So I am a fan of the magnet ones for various reasons, but I don't like to use those in my planners as much. But these work so well to decorate the outside of any planner tote or any planner pen pouch that you might have. Next up is this list pad. I will go ahead and remove this from the packaging. So it looks like these are not sticky pads. So they're just little notepads. It says "Let's do this" at the top. It has this really cute typewriter vibe down at the bottom. And then we have the dainty stickers. So these are cute for putting on decorating your VB pens if you want. I've seen people use these as nail stickers. You can use them as bullet points or just to decorate the inside of your planner spreads. They work really well in pocket rings and Hobonichi weeks because the boxes are so small there. Next up, we have these paper clip sets. I think these are super cute. I just love the wording on all of this. It has it's a plan, get busy, take a note, and it's this gorgeous like foiled look here. So you can never have enough paper clips. I will go into this last. Also, how cute are these? These are this month's journaling cards, I believe. Go. We have "Do More of What Makes You Happy," which is gorgeous, and it's a good day to have a really good day and love yourself. So just like the prints and the vibes of this turned out to be so stinking cute. So there's that. Let's see. Then we have these 2 really pretty washies. I hope it can focus on it. All right, let's see if we can get it. Yes, here we go. So it's this cute little rainbow washi, which so adorable. I can't wait to use it. And then it looks like a bunch of skinny confetti, which, I mean, that's just gonna go well with any spring themed kit right now, even though I know it kind of hasn't felt like spring. Then there's a whole pack of pattern papers. And this one looks like this. So cute florals with this wavy, very 80s look. Another one. And I love how whimsical her pattern paper is. It's very different than anything that's on the market in my opinion. It always has these like little glitter accents and like paintbrush stroke looks. Very VB. I love this. I love the look of this one. There's also this one, which color blocked patterns. So I love the black and white that's on the back. And then she even included like a ton of vellum on this one. So here's one. Here's another one. And this one. I'm not sure if I accidentally got doubles of this, but if she included 2 of these, one to hoard, one to use, I love that. So very, very beautiful. Can't wait to make my dashboards this month using this because these vibes are so my style. And then there are these puffy stickers, which these are freaking adorable. So that we have the bubblegum little machine, OMG babe, oh my, the little camera, the best friend hearts, happiness, a little cup. We have these sunglasses and then positive energy. And these are gonna look so cute on my dashboards inside my planner. So really excited for that. And then lastly, I have this here, which is the VB sticker book, which is the highlight, honestly, of every single kit that I ever get. That and the pen, of course, which I love these little element stickers that she includes kind of separately. They look really good. And then here we have some full box stickers. You totally get so much with this sticker book. So you have a whole page of full sheet stickers, a whole page of icon stickers that go with this month's themes. Very cute. And then you have some of these blank ones that you can write on. Love the clipboards. And then usually the foil is the foil color of the month, which is a hollow one for this theme. I'm not sure if that's picking up on camera. And she includes a ton of half box stickers. Some of them are squared off, some of them are rounded, but they all have these cute little icons. And then there are some word covers. The element stickers for this month. I love that flat lay right there with the little telephone. She includes a lot of really cute details in here. Oh my goodness, the date covers for this month. Usually she does like a skinnier one that's flagged off at the side, like has little flags, and then this is a thicker date cover depending on what types of inserts you're using. And then we have all of these checklists and flags. And then she even includes a Hobonichi Weeks kit. Like this is the full kit in the back. So it has 2 bottom washies, and then it comes with all the check boxes. These really pretty holographic ones are so cute here. Date covers, and then all of this. So this is all what comes within your VB box. If you have not yet ordered your Good Times kit, this is what comes with it. A really big bonus of adding this to your cart and doing the pre-orders is that Tiffany actually sends out a digitals that come with this, and you can create a ton of projects with that. So you will not be disappointed. I hope that you guys love your kits as much as I do. I can't wait to start creating some fun projects with this. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.